Again, our session today, second week, is how to tell a story. I suppose you have done this before in Spanish, but we are going to try to organize like the components we have for a story, okay?
And that's it.
Okay, so we got the specific characters, the title, what it is about, very good, and something that Camilo says before, like the ideas, no? We go until the end. Okay, Rafer, hello again.
Hello, I'm back again.
Alright, I'm sorry, I apologize, but I don't know what is happening with Hangout, and we tried to record it by that way. It is a little difficult, so we are doing by Skype today, okay? So, Rafer, we are talking about the components or the elements you need to tell a story. What do you think, or which are those components we need to tell a story?
Well, I think it's very important the title, the stage, or the date.
Okay.
Because I think it's very important when I tell any story, the person or people here have to know the date. Yes.
Okay, so the time is important to place.
Or time, okay, thank you. Characters.
Right.
Behavior. Because when you tell a story, you need to make a transmission or share the ideas you got in your mind.
Okay.
People that hear you need to know what are you talking about.
Sure, perfect. Okay, so we organize a little bit like the brainstorming we mentioned before. Now we have the characters, we have what is the story about, and you mentioned something important, description, right? Which makes easier to identify maybe feelings, emotions, and those things which are related to the story. Okay, according to this, I showed you again what we have here, the telling story brainstorming we said before, no? So we got components, the title and the author. Yes? Camilo, can you define title and author?
Define, I would use the author. Do I have to say like an idea of what the title?
What it is, right? Like a concept definition of it.
All right. The title, I don't know, maybe some word or phrase to focus the attention on about what's going to be the story about, and the author, creator, or maybe the person who is telling it.
Okay, right. Good. Janet, the problem. How can you define the problem?
The problem is a situation that happens when maybe the characters don't agree on something, or they're trying to do something new that they are not able to manage, or I don't know, there could be many problems. But the idea is that there is a situation where they got a hard time trying to find the solution. They don't know what to do.
Okay, right.
At the beginning.
Perfect.
So that's the problem.
Perfect. Thank you very much. So we got here what is the story about and a specific, like a specific conflict we have into the story. Right. Rafer, action. What do you think is action in a storytelling?
Well, I think action is the best important. No, action. The action is the moment when everything is in the highest level and transmitting emotions and the highest feelings. And the moment when all the people, and all the people feel nervous, maybe, I don't know, I think it's the peak.
Okay, right. Right, so it is the top of everything when the story goes to the highest level of it. Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Thank you. Camilo, setting. Where is the setting?
Yeah. Setting. I'm guessing it could be something about the environment, like to paint a picture, to paint a picture to the person you're telling the story about how it was, how it happened, where it happened. I guess. I don't know.
Okay, perfect. Yes, basically the setting is the place where the idea has the whole resolution about it. So it is good. The specific place, when and where, basically. The time and the place. Very good. Janet, the simple one, characters.
Characters, yeah. That's the persons or sometimes animals, because some sort of animals, and whoever is acting and doing the actions, the problems, and the whole storytelling.
Okay, right. And finally, Rafer, what do you think about the outcome? What is it about? Rafer,
Yes.
tell me, the last part, what do you think is the outcome?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Outcome, I think, is the final part. Is the finish or how everything is completed. I think.
Sure, yes. So basically it is the end of the story or the resolution of the problem they have, right? So we got some specific components in here. Organize always the way you tell a story, even if it is written story, the written story, or if you are doing orally, right? We need to establish those specific parts. Okay, for this session, I create a little crossword. Yes, we are going to complete the crossword according to the parts we already see before. Yeah, so let me share you this activity. So we have the tell a story components. We have a little definition, and you are going to tell me which are the specific words we have to complete. Is that okay?
Okay.
Good. So we have exactly 1 minute, I guess. No, more than 1 minute to get 100 points. All of us, okay? So if you have an idea, tell me and I will write it for you. Good? So the number 1, which is this one we have here in yellow color, we got the definition. Is a person, tell me, Janet, read it please for me.
Is a person or sometimes an animal who takes part in the action of a short story or other interaction. That's the character.
That's the character, you say. Camilo, do you agree?
Agree.
Yes, Rafer?
I agree too.
Okay, so you said the character. We got 1. Okay, 43 seconds. Next one. Number 2. Camilo, read it please.
It's a struggle between people or thing in a short story.
What do you think it is?
Problem?
Problem. Okay, let's try to look up a little synonym about it. Because look at this. If I said problem, it is not going with the C.
Yeah, it's a conflict. Is it that one? Conflict?
Conflict? What do you think, Rafa? Yes? Conflict says, oops, sorry. Conflict. Yes, you're right, Camilo. Very good. Okay, Rafa, help me out with the next one. Number 3. Here.
I can read clear.
Is
both? Or,
Yes?
I don't know. It's because my computer's the screen is very small.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
No problem. So we will help you. So you tell us what is the specific word. Okay, Janet, could you please read for Rafael?
Both the time, the geographic location within a narrative or within a work of
Fiction.
Thank you. Setting.
Setting says the time and geographic location. I know that is very simple for you people. Next time I will do it more difficult. Setting. Right. Perfect. We got it. Number 4. Camilo,
Yeah.
tell me.
Who create and develop author?
Yeah. Okay. Janet, number 5.
Alright. I still don't see it. Okay. By these people can identify a story. By these people can identify
Oh, okay. That will be by this
a story.
people can identify the story.
Oh, the title, of course.
That was a little comma thing we needed. Yes. The title. Thank you. Rafael, I will read it for you. You tell me what it is, okay?
Show me, I will try.
Okay. Is a central idea or belief in a short story? Is a central idea or belief in a short story? A little help?
You left the more difficult.
The problem. No, we already have the conflict. That's different. Camilo, any idea to help Rafael?
I'm trying to think, but I can't think of anything.
Okay. Janet? Any help for Rafael and Camilo? Excuse me? A little help?
Okay. I guess. But I think it's the thing.
Yes.
T-E-M-E.
Yes, you're right. Good. The theme, it is. The general idea of the story.
Mispronounce the word?
No, that's okay. It's because I don't listen to you too much. That's okay.